In the latest FLOKI update, we was looking for a possible bigger triple wave, so to get the drop here isn't a surprise, was ready and prepared, and well, we just went into now our green box. You can see here, this was what we were playing the last update, was looking for this nice WXY into the white wave 4 into one of these 3 green squares. That brings us with, I guess it was not on that one by the way, it was on the Pepe coin, but anyways. So it's clearly a possible long trade setup. So now the thing is, I want to see Bitcoin to be bullish for FLOKI to reverse. Okay, we're going to cover here step by step what we can look for. Just gonna remove some few fips here so we don't get too much stuff on the chart here. We can just keep the two targets really we have below. So we have the 100% and the 123. How, by the way, was it possible to find this extension? These targets really. You simply had to take the extension tool, click first on the wave W root, second on W bottom, and third on the X wave top. From here, as always, you simply have to add the correction wave targets, so to speak, the MC extension 618, 71, 76, the 100%, 123, and the 1618. As simple as that, really. If you, by the way, want to learn how to make such predictions, for example, well, you can simply go and check out the MOONCHARTS.fr website. It's at the moment, at the moment on the website, you have a brand new Elliott Wave course waiting for you. You have 3 contests. You already got to the first contest, so it was already 2 weeks ago almost. Well, your regular ranking, the reward was already sent, but you got a $300 prize pool, worth in Bitcoin, of course. There is a second contest coming on the 29th of April, ending on the 3rd of May, and then you have a third contest with a $1,000 prize pool. It's just to reward you for your learning, as simple as that, really. So you've got into the, so you have to go into the course section, Elliott Wave. You have the 4 first lessons for absolutely free. That was the 4 first lessons with, the first contest. That was for everyone, really. Now you have 2 more lessons. If you go into your account page, you will get 3 lessons at total in addition to the, after the 4 free ones, really. So if you go in the calendar, you got the 4 first free lessons. You've got the first week of contest. Now we've got the first one, the second one, and you're going to get the third new lessons. Okay, this new content now is only for our apprentice members only. So only our apprentice members will be able to play the contest and get the new lessons. So if you learn the course good, if you learn Elliott Waves the right ways, as simple as that, really, well, you will get a chance to win the contest because, well, it will be a quiz format as always, and well, more points you have, and if you complete, in the shortest amount of time, really, well, more, higher you will be in the ranking, and so you'll have more chance to win it, really. As simple as that. So yeah, just be aware of this. If you want to learn your waves, well, you can get some nice rewards in addition to this if you want to learn here. And well, the content is pretty cool in my opinion, so feel free to join if you want to. If you don't want, you do as you want. I don't care. It's not for me, it's for you. Anyways, so now what I'm going to change in this in these chartings, really. If you remember good, in some few updates before, not the last one I think, but in some few updates, I was telling you that this wave 1 to here was possibly not on the chart. Okay, so this wave 1 to the white wave, really. In any case, there is no real big difference. Was looking for a wave 4 for this WXY. We've got the pullback. Everything is here. Now I'm going to remove simply these white waves, simply because I don't like the RSI anymore. If you pay attention here, if this is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, the premise is a wave 4, break the wave 2 bottom. Okay, and the premise now, if you increase the time frame, because of course now if this is a wave 4 still, well, we cannot break with the wave 4, the wave 2 bottom. So to speak, if we're in such configuration with the wave 3, 4, and then the wave 5, of course, the wave 4 here cannot break the wave 2 bottom. But now we are starting to be in some bigger waves. In that case, we can go on the weekly time frame. And here on the weekly time frame, we cannot see the wave 1 to here is not visible. As you can see, it's not on the low is made here on the chart. So I'm going to take the case that we have done a wave 2 bottom there. We remove the white wave 1 to here. In any case, there is no real big difference. The only difference is that, well, we've got the retracement, but not for a white wave 4, for a blue wave 4. In any case, we've got the retracement. Now we just have to look for the white wave 5. As simple as that, really. So now we simply have the 2 targets here to the downside. Okay, so just gonna place a little better. Right here. There we go. These are the targets for a reversal. Once we have done this, we can simply look for the wave 5. To start the increase for the wave 5, I want simply to see some 5 waves impulsive or leading here. It's like this. Why I want to see this? Simply because we need these waves to continue high in the wave 1, okay, in a wave 1, in a wave 3, and in a wave 5 we need some 5 waves. So into a wave 1 we need a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So into this wave 1 we need to get 5 waves, into the wave 3 we need to get 5 waves, into the wave 4 we need to get 5 waves. So if we have to get this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we need again some 5 waves here to the upside to start these bigger 5 waves. I really hope that makes sense. If you have any questions as always, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise you can go and check out the website. The lessons about the impulsive and everything is absolutely free. You have a full course on this, really. You have the basics, even more, the Fibonacci tools, the extension, retracement, all of this, the impulsive plus the Fibonacci, so you know everything about the impulsive, how to find your targets, all of this, and then you even more start you simply start your learning really on the correction. Next, you just have some more correction for apprentices and everything with the contest. But again, you join or not, you do whatever you want. Anyways, so here, in that case, we need to get some 5 waves here to the upside to start this right here, this wave 5. Okay, so if now we get this 5 waves, for example, to the upside, so we get, you know, this small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in that case, we're going to create a bigger wave 1, 2. Well, the thing is, we will need these waves, this data, to plan the wave 5 targets. Why? It's exactly the same if it was here for the smaller green waves. If you remember good here, it was not possible to find the wave 5 targets just by using the Fibonacci for the wave 5. Why? Simply because if you go really quickly here on the last scale, just to find the tops and bottoms to place the extension tool, if you place the extension tool, what you can see here, if you add the wave 5 targets, it's simply we are in an extension. You can see that this is a max wave 5 target, but we cannot stop here. We have to go above normally the wave 3 top. So we cannot find the wave 5 targets this way. What we will need is simply the small wave. So here what we was looking for, simply for what we're looking for here, a bigger wave 1, a bigger wave 2, what we're looking here, a bigger wave 1, a bigger wave 2. And once we have done this, once we have this data, we can simply place the extension tool. Okay, I don't know if I have the wave here. Normally I do have the wave. That was for the wave 4. No, I don't have the waves on this. But anyways, or maybe it's here by the way. Yeah, there we go. You know, it was so with a bigger wave 1, I mean smaller wave 1, smaller wave 2. Once you have done this, you simply have to pull the targets really of the smaller wave, and by doing this, you will find the green wave targets. So to speak, wave 1 root, wave 1 top, wave 2 bottom. You add the wave 3 targets. We stop on the 200%. You can see here. Then we do the wave 4 retracement. You pull the wave 4 target retracement. Bam, you add the wave 4 here with the 50% also this day, but now we didn't reach that. So this is pretty cool. We went into the target, and from here you simply have to add the wave 5 targets, and this is giving the top 618, but again truncated, so less likely, so less probable, so we can look for the 120 extension, and this was the top before the drop. Here it will be exactly the same. We just need to get this wave 1, 2, and then we'll be able to pull the extension tool to find the wave 3, 4, 5 targets. As simple as that, really. So once we're going to get this wave 1, 2, we'll be able to pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 2 bottom, add the wave 3 targets, and we'll be able to recognize the next with a smaller wave. For example, here we've got, you know, the smaller wave into the pink wave 3. We've got a white 1, 2, 3, or 5. With a smaller wave, we're going to be able to recognize where this is going to stop. For now, it's just too early to determine this. We need this new data, and the thing is, to get these 5 waves to the upside, we need Bitcoin to be bullish. If you don't know what Bitcoin is doing right now, you can simply go and check out on the YouTube channel into the live check section here, the latest update you have here. Well, you have everything about Bitcoin. We use a full plan so you can understand what can happen next, really. As simple as that. So for now, everything is holding. I just want to see for this count to be still valid and still, well, here on the chart. I just don't want to see, by the way, the wave 2 here, okay, the blue wave 2, broken by the wave 4. If this is happening, this is not valid anymore. Until this happens, we can absolutely look for this, and so look for the wave 5 next. If we have to place a buy zone here, really something a bit bigger than only the 2 green box, you know, we've planned there, we can simply zoom out a bit and simply add the wave 4 retracement target. So to speak, we can pull the retracement tool from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 roots, add the wave 4 retracement target. So here we are on a larger scale, so we can add some bigger retracement here. So even by the way, this, and we can simply move this 350 on the right, even a bit less than this, by the way, like this, and there we go. This is a buy zone, really. Okay, this is a full buy zone. So this is a buy zone. Now it's with a bit more, to be a bit more accurate, well, these are the targets we have planned before with a 1-to-1 extension, the red fib, and the 123. But otherwise, this is a buy zone where we can look for another increase in price for the wave 5, and for the moment, I cannot give some price because, as I said, I need the data here, the wave 1, 2, to be able to pull the extension to and to find the targets of this wave 3. Once we have done this, we look for the wave for retracement. Once we plan the wave for retracement, we buy that dip. And once we have done this, we look for another increase in price. And now we can plan the targets. And this last increase in price will be the top of the wave 5. And so once we have done this, so by using the smaller wave, we'll be able to plan this bigger wave 5 target. And by doing this, we can, of course, bam, plan the wave 3 top, and after this we shall do another wave 4 and another wave 5, so another crash like this, and another increase in price. As simple as that, really. So for now it's too early, as you understood, but yeah, in any case, we are into the drop. I'm just letting you know that we are at support and not at resistance. As always, we long the support, not the resistance. Now, as always, you have to make your own TAs. There are no any financial advice. If Bitcoin is not bullish, it's not going to bounce. It all depends, again, once more, of Bitcoin. Anyway, on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day. If you enjoy the content, as always, don't forget to smash the likes, to subscribe to the channel, to turn notifications. Thank you, as always, so much if you take the time to do it. And if you want to learn your waves, you've come to the right place. Simply go and check out the MOONCHARTS.fr website. You're right on time. There is a new Elliott Wave course there waiting for you. It's going to be uploaded every Monday, really, and now we are on the 15th, so you have a new course, a new lesson, a Q&A on Wednesday if there are some questions, no question, no Q&A, and next we continue with one more lesson, and then you have simply the second contest on Elliott Wave, really, and then we again continue with 3 more lessons, some few live charting, so you can make some experience with me and not only get some theory, so you can practice with me, and then you have the biggest contest, really, with a $1,000 worth in Bitcoin prize pool. But again, these 2 last prize pool are for our apprentice members only. So if you want to play this contest, well, make sure to join as apprentice, learn these lessons, and well, you can be in the ranking. And it depends on what you do next. Anyways, on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day ahead. Take care of you, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.